Are recording fees always on a settlement statement? Imagine you're about to buy a home and want to know all the costs involved. One question that often comes up is whether recording fees are always listed on the settlement statement. Let's find out what you need to know. Recording fees are charges paid to state or local government agencies to officially record the transfer of property ownership. These fees make the change of ownership a legal record. Because this step is necessary in every real estate transaction, the fees usually show up on the settlement statement. A settlement statement is a detailed document that lists all the costs and credits for both the buyer and the seller. It includes things like the loan amount, real estate agent commissions, taxes, title insurance, and recording fees. Recording fees are often grouped with other government charges or deed preparation costs. The amount of recording fees depends on where the property is located. Different counties or cities have different rates. For example, some places charge around $100 for the first page of the document and extra fees for additional pages. The size and complexity of the documents being recorded can also influence the total fee. While recording fees are generally included on the settlement statement, their placement and label can vary. Sometimes they are listed under deed preparation and recording fees, or simply as part of government charges. Both the buyer and seller might pay these fees, depending on local customs or what was negotiated in the sale. For many Asian American homebuyers, understanding that recording fees are a standard part of closing costs is helpful. These fees are a normal expense to legally register the transfer of ownership. Knowing this helps with financial planning and prevents surprises at closing. In most cases, recording fees will appear on the settlement statement because they are part of the legal process of transferring property. The exact amount can range from about $100 to $150, but it varies by location and document size. Both parties may be responsible for paying, depending on the agreement. Getting familiar with these fees means you can budget properly and ask your real estate agent or closing professional any questions. It also helps you understand your settlement statement better, making the home buying process smoother. So, to answer the question directly, recording fees are almost always on a settlement statement because they are a required part of legally recording your property transfer.